Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel DM Tech. Guys, on this video we will discuss about the top government schemes which you can avail and take the benefits. As we know that if you take the facility some things we have to invest some things, but we does not have the awareness about the various government schemes. We always in the confusion. So in this video we will see about the government schemes which you can take the benefits and earn a very good money. We talk the first scheme of the government of India, that is e-Shram card, which is comes in skill India categories. Any unorganized sector worker or financial backward worker can be applied for e-Shram card as well as online. As we know that there is a lot of benefits the government of India is given through e-Shram card. So you should be apply online. Actually this card is applicable for all over India. If you belongs to the UP or somewhere other state, that card is used in all the India. So that is the special feature of this card. After you can also registration with Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So if you apply for them, then you take the advantage for the insurance of 2 lakh. And if you apply in the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana, then you have to get the 3,000 pensions every month. So I think this is the great advantage of this card. We should be take the advantage with this. Now we're talking about the second scheme, that is Skill India. So if you are unemployed and if you in the doubt that what I do and I have does not any kinds of the work, then the Skill India is the very good opportunity. That scheme is launched by Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, that was launched in 2020 and that motto to give employment to the every youth. So there is a lot of programs like computer trainings, e-Sharo workshop, programming, makeup artist, graphic designing. So in this 3 to 6 month lot of courses available. After the course completions you get the certificate also, and you're getting the 5 to 10,000 basic salary also. There is lot of type with placement facilities also there. So you can get a good salary, and it is a good opportunity to take the advantage of this scheme. Now we talk about the third scheme, that is Stand Up India. Stand Up India is the scheme where you want to establish your own business. So you can take the loan from 10 lakh to 1 crore rupees. The person who belongs from SC/ST, whether it is man or woman, it can take the best facility of the this one. But for the other community, women can take this facility for Stand Up India, and they can avail the loan amount of 10 lakh to 1 crore rupees, and in very lowest interest rate. So guys, all these are the schemes we discuss about. These are very important government schemes in which normally we are not aware about that. So we should be know now that what is these are schemes and how we can take the advantage. So these was the these are the most important government schemes. You take the advantage and in the many aspect. So guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channels and share this video maximum to your friends, so that anyone who have employee who can take this opportunity and can be start up their own business with the Stand Up India, or can be take training in the Skill India. So this is the very good opportunity for everyone. So guys, thank you so much. If you have any queries, please come in the comment box, we can discuss, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much, and please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe these channels. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you.